Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can easily create a transparent watermark in CapCut. So here I've already imported my video, and to easily create a watermark that is transparent, you just first need to write your watermark. So I'm going to write the name of this channel. You can change the font into the one you like. I'm going to use this perfect okay, I'm going to put it in here and at the center of the clip. And now to create a transparent effect, you just need to go to animation, find loop, and here choose the image overlay animation and adjust the speed, slow or fast. I'm going to go with 2 seconds. Click on the check icon, then you can apply it to the entire clips and you'll be done. So this is the final result for the transparent watermark. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.